Hey there, guys. I am meteorologist Anthony J., senior meteorologist, part of Weather Valet. So check it out. We've got a snowstorm headed your way in the Midwest. I'm sure you've heard about it. And here's some of the latest info. The storm is forming now over the parts of the Front Range in the north central states, and we'll get some snow developing today in this area. But really, it gets going tonight and tomorrow. Look at these winter alerts. We've got winter storm warnings in effect in the pink for you there, all across this entire area from just about an Omaha across Iowa and the entire region. Millions of people will be affected. So the roads are going to be impacted by this snowstorm that's going to be moving across there for you. We've got snow emergencies up now in the Quad Cities and for Rockford, Illinois, and a bunch of other places. So we're going to have to be aware of the fact that it's going to be slippery out there. How much snow are we going to see? Well, here's a future tracker from the HER model. And as when I put this in motion, well, first starting here about midnight Central Time, it'll be snowing across just about all of Iowa by that time, light initially. And as we go through the day into Saturday, that snow expands east. You keep getting it in Iowa, and then Illinois, Indiana, and areas around there, you're going to be seeing that snow as well. Notice to the south, we've got some different colors here. That's the rain and sleet, or mostly rain that might mix in with some of that snow. So that's why around Indianapolis, we think you're on the southern edge of the accumulating snow. And it keeps going in Chicago. So this is now about 8 o'clock. Expect the snow to begin about 8 o'clock in the morning in Chicago, maybe a little sooner. And then here's 8 o'clock in the evening Saturday. It is still going, and it should be snowing quite hard at times. And then as we go through the night, the storm lifts away. And Michigan will be still seeing snow Sunday morning, but really the heaviest of it will be moving away. Now, the critical thing with this forecast are the temperatures. Now, here's a look at the temperature forecast Saturday morning in the Midwest, about 7 a.m., and it's way below freezing across the entire area until you get way south. So, what moves in will be snow unless you're down here. This is about late afternoon, and notice this model has above freezing temperatures in Indianapolis, for example, and areas to the south. So, really looks like a snow mixed with rain at times situation for Indianapolis. You have the winter storm warning, but we think you're not going to see definitely the heaviest amounts. You can see Iowa, though, over a foot of snow could be very common. This is the forecast from the National Weather Service, and Chicago, easily more than a half a foot, looks very likely, and lesser amounts across this part of Indiana, but northwestern Indiana easily could see more than 6 inches around South Bend, and even Fort Wayne could see about 3 to 6 inches of accumulation. It'll be a wet snow. Be careful if you get enough of it, it's going to be heavy and hard to shovel in most cases. And here's a zoomed in look. Again, Iowa, you're getting it tonight through Saturday. Wisconsin, the southern part of the state, could see a little lake enhancement with that southeast wind coming up Lake Michigan. Could see near a foot of snow down around, south of Milwaukee and across areas to the south again. There's your snow totals. Critical right around central Indiana. If it's too warm, you might get mostly rain in parts of that area. If we get enough of a burst of snow for several hours around Indianapolis, you could end up with up to about 5 inches max, the way it's looking. Weather Valet, follow us on here, our new website. We're doing weather forecasts for businesses. So avoid cost delays, reduce your risk. And now is the most critical time, especially for transportation. The snow and the ice is always affecting everybody. Here's our YouTube channel. You can find our weather videos there. On Facebook, we'll post them here, and also other things from all of our team here at Weather Valet. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday weekend continuing. And of course, be safe out there. We got you covered.